Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Big Show by name, and in today's video we are diving into the basic of HTML, the foundation of every website you see on the internet. Whether you are starting a web browse, a web development, or just curious about how websites are built, this video is meant for you. Part 1. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's not a programming language. It's a markup language used to structure content on the web browser. Think of it like the skeleton of a website. Without HTML, web browser would not know how to display text, images, or link properly. The basic structure of HTML. Let's look at a simple example of HTML page. Let us create a new folder on our system. In your system, right click on this new, click on a new folder here, a new folder, name it website, click on enter. In this folder, we are going to enter this folder with VS Code. In our previous video, we talk about how to download VS Code and set up VS Code on your system. Right click on the folder that you just created, right click. So right click, open with code. Give it a few minutes. This VS Code workbench. This is how VS Code look like. In this place is where you can select files here. Come to new text file, new window, and so many other stuff. In this video, we are going to talk about how to create a file on VS Code. Hover on your folder, this website. In this one, you see this icon here, new file. Click on new file and type index.html. Click on enter. The reason why this file is having an extension, you see .html. .html is HTML extension. And every time you are creating a HTML file, it must have a .html extension. And this extension will tell the browser how to read this file. And let us create our first HTML file here. Let us enter HTML5. It's a short form of HTML, of creating HTML. Click on HTML5 here. Click on enter. It just generates the full code of HTML. Let us enter our notepad and explain the basics of this tag. First of all, the doc type tell the browser this is a HTML5. In recent years, we have HTML4. Understand, but the doc type tell the browser that this file is the root element. The HTML, this is the open HTML, is the root element. Is the root element. And in this content, we see the header. The head contains the information about the page, like the titles. It contains information about the page, and in the head is where you can add your external CSS. And the body is where the visible content lives. Is place where all the visible content live. All those stuff that you are seeing in a website, they are inside the body. Is where all the visible content live. Let us talk about it here. Here you see doc type HTML. It means that we are using HTML5. You see HTML. This is a closed tag here, HTML, and this is an open tag here, HTML lang English, and you see the closed tag here. Understand? Open tag here, closed tag here, and you see the head. Inside the head, you see the title of the page. Understand? We're going to talk about the main tag in our next video. Understand? And everything that we are writing here inside the body, that is where all those things that you used to see on your site, this is where we write it inside the body. Inside this body that is here, this is where we write everything inside the body. Understand? Is where all the content on our site is, where we write it here. We write inside the body. Understand? But note this thing, that we have a open tag here, which is an abner bracket body, and we close it here. Understand? It's open here and it's being closed here. Let us write some tags. Write h1 here. This is the open tag, this is the open tag h1, and this is the closing tag. Understand? This is the open tag, this is the closing tag. Let's write hello world. This is h1. Let's enter h2. Hello world. You see the difference between h1 and h2. Understand? Let us preview our code. Let us see what our code will give us. Click on it. Enter your website here, folder here. This is the index that we just created. Enter the index, right click, open with. Let us use Chrome to view it. Open with Chrome. So this, you will see hello world. The h1 is bigger than the h2. So let us write h3. Let's write h3 here. h3. Remember the open tag, the closing tag, hello world. Hello world. Understand this? And this h tag is h1, h2, h3, h2, h4 to h6. And that's how you see the difference between the tags. Let's write h4. If you want to work with speed, you always use the shortcut. So understand h tag. Understand this? And this h tag is h1, h2, like h3. You say it contains a URL or a URL, and that's how you see the difference between hyperlink pointed to where is this thing pointed to. What is h4? You see the difference. Index right h5 dot html. Understand? Let us create this word. Understand? Let us create this index. Write h6. So we only create index 1. Let us create the index 2. Hello, which is index 2 word 2. Save it. Enter your home. Click on enter and view it here. Index 2. And then we are using a short form here. H1. H1 is more bigger than the H2. H2 is more bigger than the H3. Let's down to context here, which is we use H1. Understand? And these are HTML tag. Understand that the H tag. I use the heading tag. And we still have another code tag here called the peak tag, the paragraph tag. Index have the peak tag. Understand? Index 1 tag here. Let's use some shortcut. Index 1 shortcut here. You save French word. Let's save this one as well. Shortcut here. You see the difference. You save it. So that was. Let's see what we just did here. See different. Let's say reload. If you reload now, preview it. If you click on index 2, it will take you to the index 2 page. Look at it here. This is the paragraph tag. Understand? Click on index 1. It's called the paragraph. Index 1 page tag. Look at it. It's called the heading tag. And here, most website you will see all these tags here used in all sites. This is the site tag. The link tag. Let's discuss about it under note set. Just discuss about common HTML tag. We'll talk about the H1 to H6 open tag, paragraph tag. And let's talk about open tag, the A tag. A tag like an anchor tag. Let's discuss link tag. This link tag we use it to link the image from one web page to another. To link to link. Most websites move from one web page to another. You can use the image tag, the anchor tag. Let's make an illustration. I want to make it faster. I want to move from index 1 most common to index 2. You can use the anchor tag here, which are the under list, the airline tag. Click on a tag item. Understand? The div tag. Understand? The reason why you are using this tag helps to organize and display content shorts in a meaningful way. That it makes us to be faster. The reason why the reason why HTML is important is that every website from Google to your favorite blog use HTML tag. It is the first step to become a web developer. This ref tag with CSS and JavaScript to create a full interactive contain a URL or a URL fragment that the hyperlink pointed to. Where is this thing pointed to? But it's not compulsory to know all index or the tag. Just know the basic index2 tags, the most important tag. .html. If you want to work with speed, we just use the shortcut to understand the egg tag, and this ref tag. Now, like you say, it contains a URL or a URL fragment that the hyperlink pointed to. Where is this thing pointed to? What is pointed to index2.html. Understand? Let us create this. Let's create this index2. So we only create index1. Here, let's create the index2, which is index2.html. Click on enter. Understand? This is index2. And that we are using a short form here, HTML5. This is HTML5. Click on save. Let's put some content here, which is we'll use h1. Hello. Understand? Save it. And let's use the egg tag here to go back to index1, which is index. Understand? Index1. This index1. You save. Let's save this one as well. You save it. Let us see what we just did here. Reload. If you reload now, if you click on index2, it will take you to the index2 page. Look at it here. Take us to index2 page. Click on index1 to index1 page. Look at it. Here to index2. Here to index1. This is the anchor tag, the link tag, the egg tag. And note, you open the tag and you close it. Open tag, close tag, open tag, close tag. Understand? Open tag here, close the tag here. Understand? And let us discuss about that key features, the image tag. The image tag is used to link to, and if in most websites you will see images. Understand? We use the image tag. Understand? In our next video, we are going to make a full video on most of the most common use tag. Understand? Most of the most common use tag, which are the under list, the li tag, the list item, the div tag. Understand? Each of these tags help to organize and display content in a meaningful way. The reason why HTML is important is that every website from Google to your favorite blog use HTML. It is the first step to become a web developer, and paired with CSS and JavaScript to create a full interactive website. You understand? If you want to become a web developer, you must learn HTML. You must have a full understanding of HTML. But it's not compulsory that you should know all the syntax or the tag. Understand? Just know the basic tags, the most important tag for you to use.